Okay friends, today I'm going to discuss about cursor size, big box and other things to you what we have here. So let me discuss of that things to you. And the last section is already discussed with you, that is drawing props and orbit and 3D CR bit here. So see friend, I'm not giving this all those commands in one video, but okay, so today I'm going to complete this all those things to you. Okay, right, so you can see now, yeah, escape and use it in a top. Okay, now cursor size. What is the meaning of cursor size? Can you see the crosshair? The crosshair is having the lines, those lines we called it as cursor. If in case if you wants to increase the size of the cursor, we just you're using it and 10, then cursor size increase. Then I use it the pick box, then I'm using it 8, then what happens, the box size is also increases. So this is a cursor size. The cursor size is having the limitation, that is 0 to 100. The big box size is also we can increase 0 to 50. Okay, right, here we can see friend, and the next command is tooltip. What is the meaning of tooltip? For suppose when I click on the L enter, then they show it, you specify the first point. It means this thing is called as is a tooltip here. If in case if you are increasing this, then what happens means automatically the size will be increases. But the tooltip size limitation is 0 to 6. So I can say now, so I can use it, tooltip size, enter. I can use 6, then what happens, you can see now the tooltip sizes increases. So this is 6. Now the window selection color wants to be changed, then we are using window area color, then we can change it. Actually 150 means it's nothing but what means is the blue. So here in AutoCAD we have ACI codes. ACI means is AutoCAD color indexing codes we there. So we have maximum 255 colors are there now. So but 255 colors are having the different colors, but we can see there also. So we have the command that is color enter. Then we can see the ACI codes over here. When I'm moving the cursor over here, then we can see the index color code. So suppose you can see now this is blue, but we are seeing that index color here, that is what the index color area will comes here. For suppose if you are going for here, then automatically they show it to you. Then they show it to you is the 170 over here. Okay, now let's see here. So okay, let's move in here. So that's the window selection, then we can see the color indexing code. That's okay. Now you can see it. So I can say now, so we can see here, so we have the next commands here. So that is what, yeah, crossing area color is also there. So by the window area color means is showing it as a 150, it means it's a blue. For suppose if you are going with the crossing color that is showing the 60, it means it is green. If in case if you are changing it, so automatically the colors will be showing it to you when you make the selection of window. Now let us see here the color. What is the exact meaning of color here? For suppose when I'm taking the line command, so I draw a line, the line is automatically takes what color? White color, because of the current layer is set with the white color, so that's the reason it's showing the white color over here. For suppose if I in case I wants to be change my current color, just I going for that color command and I can change the color. For example, let's say here I'm choosing this and click on OK. Then what happens, you can see now L enter, I draw a line now, the line is taken what color here? Green. So we have another thing here. So what is that? See, this is WS current. See, and the AutoCAD interface now, so already I discussed with you, that is what is a workspace. If you wants to be change the workspace, we are using this command that is called WS current. That's very simple, right? So now it is having routing annotations, then I can use AutoCAD classics. Okay, I can use them like that. So if in case if you wants to be change it as 3D modeling, so you can change it 3D modeling. When I click on 3D modeling enter, then automatically the total interface is going to be changing now. If in case if he wants to be change it back to the drafting annotations, then we can use it the ws current once again, and we can change it. Okay, so okay, let's see here. So suppose, yeah, the 3D modeling workspaces came here. So for suppose if you wants to be change it that the drafting annotation, so that's why we can use ws current, enter. So now we can write it the drafting annotations, and it will be changed to the drafting annotation model. Okay, right. So this is the command, that is isolate. So that's also very important command. I'll explain to you. So I'll made something objects like this. For suppose I draw a line like that, and see, I'm drawing a line like this. See friend, I'm working on this particular object, but I don't want to be see these all those objects. So that's why I want to be hide these objects now. So then how we do that? Isolate the command. You can see now I'm selecting this object and enter. Now you can see that only that object at that segment we are seeing, but all the other segments what we have here, that we are not seeing now. So okay, so that is the meaning of isolate. But we can, if you wants to be see back now, so we can use it and isolate. That's good, right? So it's back. So this is called, this is a isolate, unisolate. So okay, this is the topics we are already, the basic commands are already I discussed with you. Now the next section I'll going to discuss status bar. In status bar we have many options are there. I'll be explaining each and every option what we have here. Okay, okay friends, have a good day, enjoy the day friends. Thank you.